Need to reset Wintoys back to its default settings. If you've changed several options, are troubleshooting a problem, or simply want a fresh start, resetting Wintoys can help restore its original configuration. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset Wintoys safely on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open Wintoys and look through the Settings or Preferences section. Depending on the version you're using, you may find options to restore defaults or reset specific preferences. Using a built-in reset option is usually the quickest and safest method. If you don't find a built-in reset option, close Wintoys completely before continuing. Make sure the application is no longer running in the background so Windows can reset it properly. Now open Settings, select Apps, then Installed Apps and locate Wintoys. Open Advanced Options, then choose Reset. This restores the application to its default state and removes its stored app data and preferences, so you'll need to configure your settings again afterward. After the reset finishes, open Wintoys again. The application should start with its default configuration, similar to the first time it was installed. If prompted, complete any initial setup or permission requests. Take a few moments to customize your preferred settings again. It's a good idea to make changes gradually and test them before moving on to additional tweaks. That makes it much easier to identify the cause if a problem appears later. And that's how to reset Wintoys. Resetting the app is a simple way to restore its default configuration and can often resolve issues caused by incorrect settings or corrupted app data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.